Have you ever walked into a car dealership and wondered, how can these giant buildings, filled with millions of dollars worth of cars, possibly make money? Most people think dealerships become rich by selling cars. But here's the shocking truth. Many dealerships make less than 5% profit on a brand new car. In some cases, they earn less than your monthly phone bill after selling a $50,000 vehicle. So if they aren't making money selling cars, where does all the money come from? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on one of the most misunderstood businesses in the world. By the end of this video, you'll never look at a dealership the same way again. Let's start with the biggest misconception. Most people believe dealerships buy a car for $20,000 and sell it for $30,000. Simple. Easy profit. A reality. It's nothing like that. When a dealership receives a new vehicle from the manufacturer, the profit margin is surprisingly tiny. For many popular models, dealerships earn only 2% to 8% before expenses. Imagine selling a $40,000 SUV and making only around $1,500 before paying salaries, electricity, insurance, taxes, advertising, and building costs. After all those expenses, that profit shrinks dramatically. That's why dealerships aren't actually in the business of selling cars. They're in the business of selling everything around the car. Here's something most customers never realize. Every car sitting on the lot is costing the dealership money. A dealership may have over 300 vehicles in inventory. That can easily represent more than $15 million tied up in unsold cars. Most dealerships don't even own these vehicles outright. Instead, they borrow money through something called floor plan financing. Every single day, a car remains unsold. Interest continues to accumulate. Think of it like paying rent. For every vehicle on the lot, a car sitting for 100 and 120 days can turn from an asset into a financial burden, which explains why salespeople are so eager to close deals near the end of the month. Now comes the part that surprises almost everyone. The biggest profits often don't come from cars. They come from financing. When buyers finance through the dealership, the lender pays the dealership a commission. Sometimes it's hundreds. Sometimes thousands of dollars. This is why you'll often hear questions like, would you like to finance with us today? It's not just about convenience. It's another revenue stream. And financing opens the door to something even more profitable. Add-on products, extended warranties, paint protection, gap insurance, maintenance plans, wheel protection, interior coatings. Most buyers see these as optional extras. Dealerships see them as extremely profitable products. Many of these services cost relatively little to provide, yet they're sold for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. That's why the finance office is one of the most important departments inside any dealership. The salesperson may sell you the car, but the finance manager often makes the dealership even more money. Believe it or not, the service department is often the dealership's biggest source of long-term income. Think about it. An average customer may buy one vehicle every 6 years, but they return multiple times every year for oil changes, tire rotations, engine repairs, and scheduled maintenance. Each visit creates recurring revenue. Many dealerships lose money selling a new car, knowing they'll earn much more servicing that customer for years afterward. The sale isn't the end. It's just the beginning of a long business relationship. Used cars tell a different story. Unlike new vehicles, dealerships have much more flexibility in pricing. A trade-in purchased for $18,000 might be cleaned, inspected, and sold for $23,000. While there are repair costs involved, used cars often generate much higher profit margins. That's why dealerships aggressively advertise, "We'll buy your car." Because every quality trade-in is another opportunity to make money. So, how do dealerships actually make money? Not from one big source, but from many smaller ones working together. New car sales attract customers. Financing generates commissions. Extended warranties increase profits. Service departments create recurring income. Used cars offer higher margins. Trade-ins keep inventory flowing. The next time you visit a dealership, remember, the car itself is only one piece of a much bigger business. And now you know the economics behind one of the world's most fascinating industries. If you enjoyed learning how businesses really work, Subscribe for more videos where we break down the economics behind the companies and industries you interact with every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.